When high molecular polymers meet paper, a magical transformation unfolds. Water molecules act like tiny workers, carrying polymers deep into paper. Paper fibers are like little pipelines with hydroxyl groups on their surface. When water molecules bring polymers inside, the fiber structure starts changing. As temperature rises, water begins evaporating. That's when the magic happens. The polymers lose their water coating and start dissolving across the fiber surface. These polymer molecules work just like glue, bonding with hydroxyl groups. They build bridges between different fibers too. Once all water evaporates, polymers transform into adhesive agents. Separate fibers now become a dense, interconnected network. This network isn't flat, it's a three-dimensional structure, like a spider web. This structure makes paper incredibly tough. Tensile strength shoots up. The entire process is like giving paper an internal reinforcement upgrade. That's the incredible power of high molecular polymers.